Alright, hey guys! This is the first video of our playground series.
Oh, there's grass.
Yeah. Oh, cool! We have these cool... Is that a motorcycle, Oliver?
Yeah.
What color is it?
Red.
This part is red. What color is this part? White?
White, yeah.
Wow, that's really fun.
What is that?
Oh, cool. They have a little playground here. Lily's going up the yellow and green steps. You're going to go down the little slide?
Yeah.
All right, go, Lily, go.
I can't.
You can. Scoot. You got it. Whee! Whoa, is this a racing game?
Yeah.
With a blue car and a yellow car?
Yeah, you can move these.
You turn that and the cars move?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Woo, here they come.
We're going to win the finish line. Yay! I think I want to win. We want to win too.
Good job, that's awesome.
What?
Take some bells. All right. Should I come down the slide too? Whee! All right. Oh, we have a big sandbox. Oh, you found a digger? Hey, Oliver, can you show me how it digs? You can dig sand with it, and it has a bucket on the end. Wow, look at all these cool sand toys. That's awesome.
Whoa.
What other toys do they have?
Radio.
And Lily's digging with a blue shovel. There's even more cool stuff over there. Should we go check out over there? Should we go check out over there?
Yeah.
All the other cool stuff?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Come on, Lily. Oh wow, look at this cool dinosaur. Oh, there's a slide here. A brown slide. Awesome. You coming down the slide? Whee! Hey, check out this slide. This is a bumpy slide. It has rollers. Here, Oliver, go down the slide. Oh, let's try the dinosaur first. Uh-oh, I think he's too light. Oh, these are cool blocks you can climb up.
Hey.
Hey, let's go look for Lily. Oh, where are you coming out? It's like a secret passageway. Oh, this is cool. Going up this bridge. Oh, you can play music.
Yeah.
Let's have the dinosaur play music. This way, you want to go down the big slides?
Yeah.
Let's check them out. We have one right here. Whoa, try that one, Oliver. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's fun. Should Mom do it? All right, let's Mom go down. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a lot of fun. All right, so Oliver's gonna do this tunnel slide.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come down behind you.
Okay.
Let's go. We crashed.
Yeah.
Here he goes. He's gonna come down the tunnel slide. There he is! Yay! Here they come! Woo! Whoa, this is cool. It moves back and forth. Wow. Whoa. It's so fun? Ooh, you want to try something else? Ooh. Is that fun? It's a dinosaur. Wow, look at you go. That's a crazy looking ladder. Okay. You need some help? Whoa. What are these? Ladders? Climbing up the colorful letters? Oh, let's there's a red A, yellow B, and a blue C.
I can climb up them. Can I climb up them?
Wait for Lily. Let's see Oliver climb up these letters. C, B, A. Roar. Go, Lily, go. Oliver's gonna do the bumpies. All right. Oh, we got a little monkey. Let's check out this bumpy slide. That's so silly.
Yeah.
You ready, little monkey? Oh, we're doing it again. Ready? Hi, Lily. You gonna go down the green slide again? Going back to the sand?
Look at those.
You're gonna bury him in the sand? Oh no, don't bury me in the sand! Ah!
Toes.
You're burying his toes? Oh, what is that, Oliver?
And a dump truck.
Some more construction workers? A big dump truck?
And
A barn? Should we go check out this animal tree? Back here? Wow. Look at all the animals on this tree. There's a raccoon. Oh, there's a bear over here. A froggy, an eagle, a pretty butterfly, a snake. Look at you go, Lily. Whee! Is that fun? Oh, on his belly. That's fun. Let's go up this spider web. Hey, Oliver, this way. Can you climb up in there? Oh, you're going in the little nest? The little seat?
Mama.
You climbing, Lily?
No, Mama.
Let's see Oliver in his little nest. Do you have eggs in there?
Where?
You little bird? Good job. Let's see. Where do they lead to?
They look like this big. They look like this big.
They look like your fingers?
Yeah.
What do you think they're from?
I don't know.
Do you think they're a bird?
Yeah. Maybe no. Maybe there was maybe T-Rex.
A baby T-Rex?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. The footprints just end right here. Where do you think he went?
No.
Do you think, look at this. His footprints? His
Yeah.
feet have 3 toes.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
And
See
then
there?